Within the factory automation, handling is a key element. We made it to our task to design a solution that makes handling as easy as possible. The Smart Function Kit for Handling. Hey, I'm Daniel. I'm the product owner for the Smart Function Kit for Handling, the second functional application out of our Smart Function Kit family. Similar to the Smart Function Kit for pressing, the Smart Function Kit for Handling consists of mechanics, electrics and software. More precisely, it's a single or multi-axis system executing various types of handling with the highest precision and reliability. For example, pick-and-place applications, assembling, packaging or machine loading. The Smart Function Kit for Handling software allows an easy commissioning and referencing of the multi-axis system. Besides, the visual programming feature enables quick creation of handling sequences. With the provided field bus building blocks, the integration in a higher level machine infrastructure is extremely simple and does not need integration or coding effort. Program creation is faster than ever before, thanks to our easy drag and drop process configuration. If you need more information, just click on our website and watch out for our upcoming Smart Mechatronics videos.